Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change wallet address in Hamster Kombat. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and access the Hamster Kombat chat. Once you're here, tap on the play button at bottom left corner to open the Hamster Kombat game. Once you're on this page, tap on the exchange icon located at the top left corner and a list of all the available exchange platforms will be displayed. Now, you can simply select the target exchange from the list and tap on the good luck button to complete the setup. This will allow you to change your wallet address successfully. So that's basically how you can change wallet address in Hamster Kombat. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.